Oh my god! Getting high off Are you good? Hey guys, it's your girl Rachel coming back with another video, and today's video we are going to New York City on the bus.
What?
With Nicole and Sam. Hey guys, currently I went to go get bubble tea while they went home and got their money because I didn't have a lot and I didn't really want to spend it on them, not to be mean, but like, I mean, I want my own money for my own money, yeah. So, right now, I'm right next to Bagel Buffet. I'm waiting for them. And we're going to New York. It's gonna be a fun experience. We're going on a bus, and I've never been on a bus before by myself. Well, without an adult, okay? So, it's gonna be fun. Bubble tea, guys. Milk tea, best. All right. Currently, we can't go to New York City.
Oh, that's what you're
So, yeah, we're in CVS right now. I'm just with Sam. Nicole went somewhere else. I don't really know. Gas station with her father. As you know, change of plans. We are making slime. So, yeah. Alright, change of plans, laddies. We are talking in English accents for 24 hours.
Not 24 hours.
Yes.
Rachel, we need a car.
Alright, lovelies. We are in the Chipotle area. Lovey. I got chips and salsa. So, yeah.
That's the if you want to look at it. Chicken is less expensive.
It's pretty good. Oh, we got a chicken bowl. Oh my god. We are finished with Chipotle. Now we are going to Walmart for absolutely no reason, but Nicole wanted to. So, yeah. Hello, loves. We are in Walmart. I'm with
Why is my face
Nicole
so red?
Babensky. Oh my god. Look, over here is Samantha Babonsky. We're just laying down waiting for the Chris. We're still in Walmart. Something happened. Yeah. I'm with Chrissy Mundo and Sam right now. Guys, currently we're in the car. Mundo's driving. Guys, we are at school, guys. Isn't that so cool? Isn't that so cool? Alright, hey guys, I'm walking back home because, Mundo dropped us off, yeah. So I'm walking back home halfway because, Sam had to go home and eat, and long story. So, yeah, I might go to the ice rink tonight. If I don't, I'll update you guys, but, yeah, I'm making slime by myself now. Great. So, peace. I'm currently home, as you can see. I'm going to be cooking, some ramen, just putting it in the microwave. So, yeah. Alright, hey guys, I'm back home, as you can see, and I'm doing the challenge by myself because Sam had to eat and we took too long. So, I'm going to just put, not doing a lot, till I'll mix it together.
Rachel, are you here?
So, yeah. I'll put my next glue, in here. It's gonna be big slime. Yeah. Alright guys, I don't want to like touch it yet. It's getting there. I mean, like, yeah, it's getting there. I have one more glue to put in, so this is gonna be a mess, guys. My parents left, so I'm home alone. My sister, I don't know where she is. I don't think she's home though. So yeah, home alone making slime that is, oh, nope. What kind of glue is this? It's washable. Wow, it's washable glue. I did not see that. Right, this is not gonna work. It's washable. I mean, it's freaking great. Okay, well, I'm gonna stop this and like mix it. I'll see how this goes, and I will tell you. Bye. All right, hey guys, having my ramen. It makes me fun. Alright, so I did put more gain in it. So right now it's getting much better. Now I just need to like smooth it. You know, I'm gonna take a little of it so I could like do it at a time. I might need more glue, and I don't really want to use my other glues because I want my money back. I don't, because if there were more people, if I was doing it with like Sam, I would have used, but because I'm not going to. So okay, this is really, it's getting good. I mean, it's coming together. Yeah, I might sell this, guys. I mean, it's good slime. It's not bad. You know, this is good. Let's see if it. Wait. Let's see. Wait, like a minute. We need to like just prep it in for like a minute. Let's see already. This pokes really good, so I mean, I think it smells really good too, and it's not that sticky. See? All right, so you know, this is a success. I mean, it wasn't at first. I didn't think it was going to be, but it turned out to be. So I'm happy. So yeah. Hi. No, I invited myself to a party. Cool, right? Yeah. Alright, hey guys, I'm currently at a party. I wasn't invited to, but still came. Oh my god. Alright guys. Peace. I love you guys. Bye. Maddie's sister shook. Alright, hey guys. Currently it's the next morning, and I just want to say, I didn't go ice skating, as you see. I went to a party. It was really fun. I hung out till about 12 and then went home. I was on FaceTime with my two best friends for a while, so I just want to say bye guys, peace, love you.